Hey there, welcome! This video will show you how to set notifications about events in your CommPeak account. You will learn how to access regular notifications, how to configure which notifications to receive by email, and how to select which users to notify. In your CommPeak user portal, you get notified about everything that has happened: invoices paid, numbers validated, and many other things. Click on the bell icon to see new notifications. Here, you can proceed to the page with all of them. You can also receive notifications by email and set multiple recipients. Click on your profile name, then select Account Settings. From here, go to the Notifications tab. By default, you will get all active notifications to the email specified in your main account, as shown in the default box in the lower part of the screen. Enter more email addresses and click on the plus icon to add recipients of all notifications or any specific ones on the list below. In the Notify Me About section, use the toggles to enable the notifications. To get notified when the voice credit reaches a certain amount, leave the balance threshold notification enabled and specify the threshold amount. If you don't want to receive alerts daily until you add credit, deselect the Keep Notifying box. If needed, add more recipient emails in the low balance field below. Leave daily usage reports enabled to receive a daily summary of your account activity. Add more recipient emails in the daily report field below. Switch the toggle to stop receiving periodic account statistics or leave it enabled and set how often you will receive the statistics, weekly or monthly. Similarly, choose if you want to receive a call data records log, and if you do, how often. You can also get notified about the status of your payments, updates to voice or SMS rates, your DID numbers marked as spam, upcoming payments for recurring services and DID number usage, and updates in the legal agreement. In the same way as we showed before, you can enter more recipient emails in these boxes. After making all necessary settings, click Save Changes at the bottom of the screen. Thank you for watching, and stay notified!